This 2015 Maserati GranTurismo is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GranTurismo Sport Convertible 4.7L V8 engines F6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters navigation system boasts premium sound system rear parking aid front parking aid heated front seats memory seats XN and headlights adaptive light control system power automatic windows cruise control dual power and heated exterior mirrors keyless entry Maserati alloy wheels black exterior black leather interior black convertible soft top under Maserati factory warranty till April 24, 2019. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2015 Maserati GranTurismo Sport Convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination, although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing. On occasion, mistakes can visit us at autogallerychicago.com.